I try not to get that. If they know
my
nobody,
mother hit me, I might hit her back.
the nigga hit me, I gotta hit somebody back. So why the fuck you be calling nigga fish on YouTube? They got mad videos on YouTube.
My mother hit me, I might hit her ass back.
Nah, not your mom. Man, look, somebody hit you, my nigga. You gotta hit back, my nigga.
You wanna look at some nigga?
Cause, yo, not for nothing, a nigga like me, if he gets smacked, I'm not gonna respect you or your drive.
Fuck. The 7th and the 8th.
What's that, Saturday and Sunday?
Saturday's the hood day, and Sunday we're gonna do a Mother's Day shit like my mom, my girl, you know, niggas on my block, they little wives and shit.
I'll be around.
Not only one for two, but I'm saying, you're doing it early, I'm mother in law, you know? Sunday's gonna be a Mother's Day thing.
I forgot Mother's Day was coming out. Last time we were.
Shorty is probably gonna be able to talk on Sunday. I ain't gonna see that on Mother's Day.
The reason why I
Girls
can't
ain't gonna
come
do
over here,
nothing.
nigga, and chill, like, I can't bring my girl and shit, 'cause I don't like to keep her out. And mommy said I had a package. I ain't had no package, right? She was talking about my clothes and the TV.